Hello and welcome to myfinancesteacher.org. A few days ago, for the members at myfinancesteacher.org, I posted an update on gold price, silver price, as well as gold miners. Since then, as we were expecting, the precious metals have already made their move, and now with the delay, I'm posting an abridged short version of that report publicly on YouTube. If you want to have timely updates, follow us at myfinancesteacher.org. And in this video, we're going to talk about gold. What we see on gold is what's called a bearish or ascending wedge. The bearish outlook here is only short term. Yes, for nearly a month, gold has been doing very well. And that was the beginning of our intermediate as well as short-term daily cycle. The daily cycles usually last for about 1.5 to 2 months. And with the current one going on for nearly a month, sometime over the next several days, a couple of weeks, we are going to decline into the short-term daily cycle, which would agree with somewhat of a bearish outlook of this bearish wedge or ascending wedge. However, so far we are doing well. As I mentioned in one of my older videos, we had a target of around 1725. At this top over here on the 14th of April, we've reached a top of 1747. So actually gold is doing even slightly better than expected. And today the candle is still green, so if we continue up for another couple of days, that would be normal as well, because we're not that late in the ongoing short-term daily cycle. But as I mentioned, over the next few weeks we'll probably have to cool down into the first short-term cycle low before we actually continue higher. And the reason that I think we will continue higher, still pretty early in the ongoing intermediate cycle. So although I'm now fully allocated, if I come up to some cash over the next few weeks, I might add if I see a moderate decline in gold price. So short term, possibly a slight decline, maybe to retest this recent high that we saw at the end of March. That would be somewhere around 1650. If we come close to that levels, even if I don't have cash inflow in my account, I might actually switch from mostly holding GLD, which is a gold ETF, to probably holding. Next target would probably be looking at silver. There have been a few questions from the viewers asking what is going to happen to silver. Silver is underperforming gold so far, and that is not a huge surprise given that silver is. Next, looking at GDX. This week GDX reached that top at the resistance level that has been with us for quite a while over here in the middle of 2016. GDX failed to break above $31, $32. Same thing happened in the middle of 2019 and now at the beginning of 2020. And looking at a longer term chart, this resistance was actually first established somewhere in the middle of 2013. Just like with silver, gold. However, in the short term, just as I mentioned for gold, we are probably going to see a modest decline in GDX. It's poked through the upper range of the Bollinger Bands and a possible. Another question I've got from some of the viewers is it time to sell gold? Well, we are still. So that's my outlook and the strategy. I wish you a nice day and good luck in your trades.